Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you one of the beautiful and very unique stylish designing using the normal stitching needle. So without wasting time, let's quickly start this designing. I'll be highlighting the neckline first using the normal chain stitch like this. With the single strand zari thread, 2 lines we have to give the normal chain stitch. Extending the design further, for that here I'll be using gold color leaf shaped designer frames. Placing it in the shape of V, we have to join these frames. And now I'm going to create the flower shape using the golden beads. These are 1 mm gold metallic beads. Like this we have to insert 3 at a time for the center one, and giving an overlapping stitches on it, followed with 2 beads underneath like this. On both the sides we have to join to create the flower shape. And now I'm going to use 2 mm semicircle pearl. Inserting the needle on this tip of the flower, we have to join it. This pearl will be highlighted using the Zardozi string. For that I had already cut in 1 inch in length. Inserting in the needle the Zardozi string like this, we have to give an overlapping stitches. Here I will be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle for the joining of this Zardozi string, followed with this framed works joining. These materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also, for your convenience, I have given the links in the description box. If you want, you can check it. The pattern will be continued in this way. Beads work with the flowers creation, joining the leaf shaped frames next to this. Now I'm going to use 2 mm kundans of dark pink color. In the center of these frames I'll be joining. For that, applying the glue to stick these kundans. Now in the center of these leaf shaped frames I'm going to apply the glue again. This is to stick here honey color leaf kundans. The pink kundans also will be highlighted using the Zardozi string in 1 inch length the same way. Inserting the needle like this and give couple of stitches on it. Really, this is simple, cute design which can be done with no efforts, with very cost efficient. Once completed, the pattern of the neckline would look like this with the sleeves pattern. It's been designed with the Ari Maggam work pattern, but we can also try using the normal stitching needle. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching this video. On with another interesting video, subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.